So this person happens to be my son. Has a fever right now, about 103.5. And so the areas we're going to focus on with the Gua Sha, we're going to do the long, what we call shoe points, and there's a point here that is important for fevers that we're going to work on a little bit. And so here's how we do it. Just use a light scraping. This is very light.
And it's already pink because we had already done a little bit before.
Yeah, see it started bleeding a little bit there, but that's not, again, I'm using very light motion here with the spoon. And then across the shoulders. Now, I'm not doing this as much as I would normally because it's red, as you can see. It's getting red really quickly there. You see there's a lot of sha. So that's where some of the heat's coming out. You alright?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's just my eyes.
Your eyes? Okay. Your eyes hurt from the fever. So now, this part you have to go really light because it's bony. It's basically C7, T1 area, but if you're in the general area, it's fine if you don't know. There we go. Got a little red there. I might use the back part of this. There we go. Check here. Use these points for toxic heat. Just getting a little more oil on there. That's good. So here. And again, if you this is not your child, or there can be blood coming out, so if you're concerned about the blood, then you want to be wearing gloves. Since this is my son, I'm not as concerned with that part. Okay, so you can see this sort of redness is staying here, this point, a little bit up here. We call gallbladder 21 on both sides, do 14. Right in the sort of upper shoe points here. So that's pretty much
Gallbladder 20.
how you do it. Gallbladder, oh, I did this earlier. So I'll show you this. Now you should be ending this one with down. Okay, so it's help things drain downwards, but I actually go up as well for the wind. Can I have the other side, sweetie? Can you turn your head? Thank you. Is that a hiccup?
No, it's cough.
Oh, cough. There we go. It's starting to get a little red in there.
Wait.
What's that, sweetie?
I'm gonna cough.
No, it's okay. You can cough. And this helps with coughing too, actually, especially around the lung points. I go both directions myself, but you should emphasize going up here. But if you only go up, then all the oil goes up with it. And there you go.